Hey there! Today on Tech Kingo, we're checking out the top 3 best cordless electric scissors to upgrade your cutting tools with power and precision. Let's get started. Beginning our countdown at number 3 is the Sinochip Cordless Electric Scissors. The Sinochip Cordless Electric Scissors redefine convenience and efficiency for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and professionals alike. Engineered with a powerful 2000 mAh large-capacity battery, this versatile tool delivers up to 5 hours of continuous operation, minimizing downtime and eliminating the need for frequent recharging. Whether you're tackling large-scale packaging tasks, intricate sewing projects, or detailed scrapbooking, the Sinochip scissors provide reliable performance throughout extended use. At its core lies a robust 12,000 RPM high-speed motor capable of slicing through cardboard, plastic, leather, and fabric with ease. This cutting power is up to 50% faster than manual tools, significantly boosting productivity while maintaining precision. Despite its power, the scissors feature low-noise technology that keeps sound levels under 65 decibels, ensuring a quiet and comfortable working environment. For added versatility, the Sinochip Cordless Electric Scissors come equipped with 2 interchangeable cutting heads. These dual blades are designed to handle various materials, such as fabric, paper, and more. The tool-free blade switching system makes it simple to adapt to different tasks on the fly, extending the tool's overall usability and lifespan. Safety and convenience are at the heart of its design. The built-in safety lock prevents accidental startups, offering peace of mind during use and storage. Additionally, the included toolbox provides organized storage for the scissors, charger, and accessories, making it easy to carry and store when traveling or working in different locations. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, the Sinochip Cordless Electric Scissors are ideal for single-handed operation, allowing users to cut through tough materials effortlessly. Perfect for crafts, sewing, packaging, or DIY repairs, this all-in-one cutting solution combines power, precision, and portability to make every project faster and easier. Up next, ranked at number 2, is the Ruckerco Cordless Electric Scissors. The Ruckerco Cordless Electric Scissors redefine convenience and power in cutting tools, designed to handle a wide range of materials with ease. Equipped with a powerful 4V motor, this cordless tool delivers precise and effortless cutting through cardboard, plastic, fabric, thin carpet, and leather up to 1/4 thick, performing up to 10 times faster than traditional scissors. Its dual high-speed rotary blades ensure clean, accurate cuts, making it perfect for both professional and home use. Designed for practicality, the Ruckerco electric scissors feature a rechargeable battery system with a USB charging cable, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. This ensures consistent performance for long DIY sessions, packaging work, or craft projects. Its heavy-duty construction provides reliable results on various materials, from boxes and vinyl to leather and plastic sheets. Safety and comfort are top priorities in this design. The tool includes a safety lock to prevent accidental starts and an ergonomic handle that reduces hand strain during prolonged use. A built-in LED light enhances visibility, allowing precise cutting even in low light conditions. Perfect for use in workshops, warehouses, or storage rooms. Every detail of the Ruckerco Cordless Electric Scissors is tailored for efficiency and safety. The child-proof lock, non-slip grip, and LED illumination make it a dependable companion for any workspace. Complete with 2 replaceable blades, a storage box, and a USB charging cable, this all-in-one cutting tool is ideal for home improvement enthusiasts, office workers, and crafters seeking performance and convenience in one compact device. And now, the number 1 spot goes to the Worx Zipsnip Cordless Electric Scissors. The Worx Zipsnip Cordless Electric Scissors redefine convenience and power in everyday cutting tasks. Designed for versatility and comfort, these cordless electric scissors handle tougher materials with ease, reducing the strain typically experienced with manual cutting tools. Whether it's fabric, cardboard, plastic packaging, paper, or leather, the Zipsnip's high-performance rotating blade smoothly cuts through materials up to 1 inch thick. Weighing only 1 pound, the Zipsnip is remarkably lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and ideal for extended use without fatigue. It comes housed in a customized portable case, keeping the tool and its accessories organized and safe from damage. The protective case also ensures user safety when the scissors are not in use, allowing for effortless transport between workspaces or DIY projects. To enhance durability, Worx includes an additional replacement blade, ensuring consistent cutting performance over time. The automatic sharpening system keeps the blade sharp after every use, guaranteeing clean, smooth cuts without interruption. Powering this tool is a reliable 4V Max lithium battery, offering months of use on a single charge. The integrated battery indicator conveniently displays real-time power levels, so you're never caught off guard mid-project. Compact, powerful, and efficient, the Worx Zipsnip cordless electric scissors deliver professional-grade cutting performance for both casual and serious users. Whether crafting, unpacking, or tackling household repairs, it's a dependable companion that simplifies every cut with precision and ease. That was impressive. If you want to grab any of these scissors, check the price link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful gear updates.